Hey, yo, what up, famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
Famous so sick.
Hey, Sean, that's me representing for famous.
Ding Dong Ravens represent for famous, so sick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Yeah, yeah, me laugh to success. People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, gas.
G's them. Right now, me know disappointed in me. When I feel like me let you know down. When I probably feel like me neglect you know all these feelings. Why? Just I go through a little transition in my life, right? You know, where should have been a bringing up on the journey. Should have been a talk to them. Should have been a making you know everything instead of shutting them out and I do it. You know what I mean? For that. I really and truly apologize. Because I always come from here, I always tell them, say, me on the roll. And so me on the roll, I always communicate with them, and I always talk to them. Then me go missing. Me no post a vlog probably a month now. That is unacceptable. That is very unacceptable. Right now, life is just a keep. Right now, it's just life. As you can see, I'm back in New York, but I'm a laundromat right now. I'm back in New York for good now. I don't know if you ever go see me back up here unless we probably have a link up with Chabas and Bingy them and him and them. Yeah, but I'm back in New York for good now. So I just try to figure out how I'm going to do this vlog thing. But yeah, everything good, everything go on. Me have to find back a balance now for everything I go on, plus we go now. Quality content. Because I could have vlog every day. Trust me, I could have vlog every day and go on a vlog. But I just feel like say, if you're not entertaining enough to me, you're not entertaining enough to you. And I just that at the plain and sad truth. I'm going to try my best to do better. Probably link up with Pink them to them. Nice them depending on where you fall back of Vernon. And like one time we were young and we could have just get up and link up every day. No, everybody grown now, everybody big, everybody have separate lives to live. I'm going to try my best to still go on quality vlog. It's not going to be every day, but at least 2-3 times a week, never try and put out a vlog. If not a vlog, a short film or a comedy video. You know what I mean? Chabas just dropped a short film and you can go check out that with Rolly. You know, Rolly supposed to have father New York. I'm not sure yet, I'm not sure. Maybe link him and maybe ask him. Rolly is one person who I always want to work with for putting a video. If Rolly father New York, when you look out for a short film, you write something. For role is specific because I rate him bad actor. That's what I'm going for right now, but as the day go on, yes, I'm going to journey with me. So blessings and respect again for all who still there and all who follow and come support yet the next vlog. Big up my G's them.
Yo, so right now we're doing a buffet. Oh, we can take off the mask. Alright, so we're just reaching at the Chinese buffet. And we about to shell it right now. Yo, boy, nice in the building, Pink in the building.
Straight chicken wing to mix in no pork.
You know mash up no ribs?
No, so why you come here?
Rastaman and pork.
Oh, that's alright, I'm gonna go get my food. You can talk to the people.
Oh, yeah, get your food now?
So nice not wasting no time, bro. No joking. No, so I never bring the clear.
No, I blame person.
No, I belong. What?
Nice. You know, nice now we done. Nice, I go to work. Nice, forward. Yo, the money want wait for things and my belly hungry now, yo.
You man, me can't listen to fart on that thing. Who want to take you?
Put in your pocket, dog. Put in your pocket.
Sugar grams, good, bro.
None of them are for it.
Yo, I can't so anything. I can't finish it. Watch out. I eat, they don't give us 8 price.
Yeah, no, that myself. Nice basically. Now you're nothing. We're both look on the food right now. Yeah.
It's a small place.
You can't find a big
They decrease this plate in size. Yo, just remember I said them plate them bigger than this.
Yo,
this is super small, bro.
you may try fix my mask.
What am I doing?
Alright, over here so. This is fried chicken, I'm out over here. Let's show them out now.
strictly drums. Drums is best. Yo, watch asking people in. I mean, look, people got this topic. Drums or flats? Drums is better than flats. Let's end that the convo. Drum. Alright.
Reach back. Pink reach back already. See what I get, you know? I'm sure now what I get. End up just get French fries. And I get some. Yo, I put this, you know. Oh my goodness, I'm not supposed to eat this, you know? I know I'm not supposed to eat that, but I'm gonna eat that. May I get wings? Yo, I'm not supposed to eat that wings. That's a nice plate. I think a pink plate so right now I'm alone there, I'm about to shell mine and run, go back quick. You think I play with it now? What? Chicken wing they look bad. Be a weird thing's nice, kid. Oh, donut. A donut that? I have a donut name plate. Why did I put desserts with your food? Yeah, you just want to leave pink food, don't you? Yes, a Tiffy man fries. No, there's one. Pink food forward, pink forward, pink food. I'm going to get some plantain. I'm going to get Chinese plantain. What is it? Noodles. I'm ready for shelling now. Nice get donut. Can't believe that. Down here again. Look who down here too. Wanna look rich. The people look nice. The boy nice to look rich. You know more chicken. Look alright. Yeah, tell me. You gonna show me something? Hold on. Nice one, Miss City. Yeah? Crispy duck? Oh, I think a big sitting man is going to show me. Yo, 2 more plates there. Nice mineral water something there. That's a Are you eating this?
No, that's not bad, yo.
Alright.
You don't want to bother myself. I think about that.
What that nice?
Me left low it here, sir. We talk about this after.
Yeah, man, I know it here. You know what I see about this one?
Don't upset my stomach. I think about that.
This is how man you're going to ketchup.
Ketchup, cayenne, pepper. Sweet stuff.
Yo, some plant, you know this thing, you know.
Bit of the pepper, I never know
Yo,
what it is.
watch all of it. I can murder this thing.
Run.
I try to catch you and you never catch. I use my gum finger. I'm about to sell some more wings again. Yum. One. You know, see me? Bad wings them.
I was trying to do a presentation, bro.
Who do presentation? That's how I'm skilled naturally. She can tell you what it is. You know what this is, right?
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles.
Yeah.
Rice noodles. You get that? Put y'all onto something.
Some people say say me fuck.
Yeah?
Me fuck.
Me fuck.
Me fuck.
Me fuck.
Same thing.
Sim sing, a bad what that?
So
Me
if
fuck.
you going to take out the noise, me fuck.
Me fuck.
So the me fuck.
So I go to the Chinese store,
Yeah,
say me
yeah.
fuck.
Me fuck.
Alright, you see that?
Some people say the noise noodle.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But yo, it's over. Me fuck. So you hear that? Rice noodle. Rice noodle. You want me that be a cauliflower then? No, like, yo, me I tell you so, yo, the thing, it's bad dog, me not lie.
Me I try it one of them day.
Me not lie though, but it's bad, yeah, it's it, bro.
And I told them. And I told them me actually.
I want that's the whole night I beef.
What is what, man? Oh, you're parked for real?
Nice, it's black. Nice, we get that dumpling again.
What part we can you play ketchup? Or we play ketchup?
Ketchup you play, man.
That's from bad, man.
Ketchup you play.
Yeah, we have some bad.
You don't want none. It's the sweetest of all, yeah. Yo, me just make a little quick run again, little while. Yo, my phone dirty. Alright, me probably have some. Me just make a little quick run, little while.
It's not for, bro.
Nice done. Done. Me not done. Me just get. Me show them. Me just get.
You know that too slow. So tired. Yeah, don't nói đi.
Too much.
Don't nói đi.
Nice. She say you won't have too much
Too much
later.
food, man.
You chop or sleep. Yo.
They
Picking
cry.
on.
Sleeping down.
See,
Yeah.
you know what? Let me say that.
They just get some fruits to go on. And some ice cream.
Yo, I can't live with that food there. I can't live with it. You can't live with it? I can't live with it.
Yeah, no? You feel? You feel if you do whatever you want to do with it.
Hello? You didn't get a cup or you didn't get a cup or a cone.
What happened?
Why would you do that? Share the ice cream in a plate. Yo, somebody I eat before you know you don't want to, yo.
What are you talking about?
Nice, just want to eat the cake now. The man put film in a, yo, they not have look for we, you know, because they want to come out there now. We selling it too much. I tell you, we go. The people don't want to tell us where we have to go. We're shelling it too much. You little cake today. Nice, so I'll chop asleep like a while. Should I catch it? I like Michelle place. Michelle place. Watch out to you. And we are last somebody in here. Watch out.
That's how I always do it.
We are last somebody in here.
Shut it down.
I keep them out kick me out now. I drink some more drink right here.
So my ginger is.
I'm paying for this stuff.
My ginger is. You can walk over there?
Dry is cute. I don't want that.
My ginger is. Unnecessary possession.
Let me pull up my pants. Alright. Bye bye, miss. Miss Chin. Me I walk with my hand. So what get chopstick? Think I look chopstick. Me don't want nothing for the chopstick, nothing. Nice in boss. Let me run him. Me and him say no. Away am I do? Me now look back, you know, me gone. Me gone. Me Me a one woman a ball. No. Then see Pink a dig up in a one basket. Yo, yeah nice. See them a running there. Yeah, dog. No, me have to any vlog right here, so nice way have to say. You can't see you though, but you're there, so. You want me dark here? We there.
White, do organize.
Nice laugh for the road. Pink, what you have to say?
That ginger candy, you know.
Pink one ginger candy time off of the bossy gas. Yo, miss. My belly full. And I can't see me right now, but I'm there.
Yeah, we could see this.
I can't see what you're dark and my belly too full. Alright, yeah, man. Say. Blessings and respect for everybody who found out and support yet our next vlog, you know what I mean? When you can't see me right now, but when you could have it anywhere in the world, I want to decide if I come spend it tonight.
Let me get some light now, because you must look creepy.
You can't see it. Neither me, yeah, you can't see
How
it.
would you make him do it from us now?
Alright, so blessings and respect. Forward, and soon in the next one. Mad move.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in at the buyer right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.